Yo, what's going on, y'all? So today we had a no news Monday. You know how these type of things go. They're kind of really good for my strategy. So I was happy. Well, I was happy it was a no news Monday, but I wasn't opposed to it. So I'm just gonna kind of go over my chart and like the trade I took today and confluences I had. So this was obviously today was Monday, so yeah, Friday, shit, I can't think. Okay, so Friday was the last day that we were open in the market, which is right here. So this is previous day low. You can see Friday, this is at 11 in the morning. So right here, if you draw this exact level out to today, I'm just gonna get rid of these for a second. This is where we were today. So yeah, this is the previous day low. Draw these out here. And then you go to the hourly chart, and first, obviously, you draw Asia session high, which is right here. Boom. London high. We don't draw Asia low because that was already taken. And then London low is right here. So yeah. And then let's see profit pre-market. This is 7 in the morning highs. These are relative highs. And we sweep relative highs at 9:30. So we sweep relative highs at 9:30. So boom, that's already confluence one. What's left is relative equal lows. Right here. This is pre-market. This is pre-market lows. Okay. So we have pre-market lows. Pre-market highs. Pre-market highs get swept. Pre-market lows did not get swept. You jump onto the 1 hour time frame, and between Asia and London you have this. This is a SIBI, also known as a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap to be exact. So then you go back to the 5-minute time frame. I took the trade on the 1 minute time frame, so I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute. We sweep liquidity here, the pre-market highs. We take these highs. I also have the video here. This might help out. Whoops. Okay. So we have pre-market highs. Okay, well, the video doesn't really help either. It's okay. So we sweep highs. We break structure. To the downside. Because this is the low. So this is a CISD, change in state of delivery. Right after the liquidity sweep, we tap into the BSC. And after we tap into this hourly BSC right here, this candle taps into it, we get a bearish leg down. You see it from this up candle, 1, 2, 3 candles down. This leaves a order block that caused the CISD after a SIBI gets tapped into and a liquidity sweep. So now I'm looking for, what did I tell you about no news Mondays? Any day with no news. Fair value gap right here. I don't like to use fair value gaps. I like to use the order block above fair value gaps because fair value gaps oftentimes get stopped out. So, order block right here. I entered a bit early, but entry was here. Take profit 1. It's pre-market lows, relative lows, the first ones. We tapped that within 3 minutes. My second take profit was previous day lows right here. And as you can see on TradingView, it doesn't look the same because this is NASDAQ. This is not the micro NASDAQ. But we barely hit it. We barely missed it, I should say. And then I ended up taking out I had 3 contracts. So I took 2 of them here. I took 2 partials at TP1. And then I think I took my last partials right here, a little bit higher. It was like right around here. Took 2 partials here, took the last partial here. We did in fact sweep that low. We swept these. We actually re-swept the highs and then swept the lows. So, but yeah, that was my trade. On here, it looks a bit different. On Top Step, I barely missed. So this was the previous day low right here. And yeah, we missed it by like a wick. I literally missed it by like a single point. Look at that. You can't make that shit up. But today was an overall green day. I got 2 partials at the first take profit, second partial, well, third partial at less than take profit, but it's okay. Trade still hit. So that was my trade for today.